Hi, I'm going to do something that I haven't done on the channel before. I'm going to do an unboxing of this. It's supposed to be a radio, and the reason that I'm doing an unboxing of it is it looks a little beat up. Looks like it's got a hole right there. And I just want to see how well it was packaged. So this is just as much of a proof of packaging video than anything. Oh boy, got the dreaded peanuts in here. Boy, I hate these things. Well, there's a half a dozen of them anyway. I'm gonna whoa. Okay, let's get the garbage can out. I think these things are the single most appalling invention of the 20th century. I hate these things. Alright, let's see here if we can make any more heads or tails from this. Ooh. At least it was kind of double boxed. That's a good thing. There must be a seam. Ah, there it is. Seam around here somewhere. Well, so far not too bad. Not necessarily a good thing. Oh, this is good. The overuse of bubble wrap. Jeez. Alright, let's get rid of this box. This is the first radio I bought from eBay in several years. For the main reason that you pay a premium price for most of this stuff, and people don't know how to pack it. As a matter of fact, I don't know if you'll recall, but late last year I showed you some pictures of a radio that I'm going to be working on, a GE 429. It's a nice red 50s era radio. And I actually had 4 of them. That's because 3 of them arrived with broken cabinets. Well, so far, so good. So far, so good. Oh, jeez. There we go. Let's take a good look at this. The pictures on the website were pretty detailed. They didn't show any cracks, chips, or breaks. Okay, I don't remember what model this is. Can't quite read it. Let's see if we can get a magnifying glass in here. No. I know it is just not coming to me. Actually, I have another one just like this in pink, but I've never seen the brown one before. They've made so many of these things over the years. I'm not even sure that these are the right knobs for it. The other one I have has completely different knobs. Okay, this has a, like the red GEs, this has a dial beam, they call it, dial beam indicator. Right behind the needle is a light that's pointed directly through the back plastic. And as you turn the dial, the light moves along with it. Pretty cool. Now this, okay. The volume control seems to be free. These knobs are in pretty good shape. They work. Okay, well, I'm pleased. I bought it because it was a good deal, and I think the shipping was a little bit high on it, but it was worth it to get it in this place. I've already bought things where I've offered to give them more money to package these things better. They never do, and they, you know, it's like they wrap them up in newspaper and send them away. I've gotten a lot of radios like that. I had quite a few here. However, that's one of the things we're going to be doing in a future episode, is we're going to repair a cabinet. But this one is nice. This one will polish up real nice. I'm impressed with that. This dial should clean up nice. We'll have to see if this clock works. That should be it's got a lighted dial on it. That should be a Telechron movement, which are quite proficient in the prolific, I should say, in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. So parts are usually available for those. So I guess this is going to be one of our radios to work on this year. Yeah, if you want to see what I meant about those red GE radios, I'll put a card up here in the corner, and you can check that out. Also, I'd like to get your opinion. I've had a couple of questions that have asked me on things that I've shown where they can get some of it. A lot of the stuff I've had for years and years. Other stuff, I don't remember where I got it, but the stuff that I do have, I like to start putting some links down in the description box down below, and that'll give you an idea where to get it, what it costs, and that sort of thing. It's an Amazon associate link. I get a penny or two from it. It's no big deal. It's mostly for the convenience of my viewers so that they can, go and get whatever they see in the videos. Oh, before you leave, I got one other thing here. I was going through my trove, and I found this. That's a pretty cool transistor radio from the 60s. It's a down-facing speaker. It's really kind of odd though. The tuning's on the right, the volume's on the left, and the volume is, although it should be, I guess, it's backwards. When you turn it to the left, it turns it on, and then it goes higher when you turn it to the left. But it's in pretty good shape. There's the battery compartment. Battery compartments, one of these has a little bit of corrosion on it, but not too bad. Probably needs caps, but we're going to look at that sometime in the near future too. This is just, I think it's just pretty cool. Actually, I think I might keep that out, take it out on the deck and listen to the ball game or something on it. Be pretty cool. All right, with that, thanks for watching. This is the first one of these kind of videos I made. Maybe it'll come to something. So with that, thank you for your support. If you would, give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you're not already, because I do appreciate all my subscribers. And with that, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.